What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video here, and we're down to our second half in the 2019 Donruss Racing Fat Pack box break. If you guys would like to bust some of these packs, head over to Blowout Cards. They have a special on these for about $25. They're not bad at $2 a pack. Ricky Stenhouse, Brandon Jones, Eric Amarola, who's newly retired, Chris Boucher, Darrell Waltrip, Retro Raider rookie, Bill Elliott, Mark Martin, Bill Elliott Race Kings, Ryan Truex, brother of Martin Truex Jr., Kevin Harvick card, Bubba Wallace. Look at that old throwback there. Rusty Wallace in his prime in a Kodiak car. Dale Jarrett, Danica Patrick, Ross Chastain, Sliced Bread, nickname variation, Cole Custer, Xfinity champion, Happy nicknames variation, Jeremy Clements, Bill Elliott, Rocket Man Ryan Newman with nickname variation there, Dale Jr., Ned Jarrett, Kevin Harvick again. Then we got a blue Pulsar. It's going to be Dale Jr., and that really looks nice with a nationwide fire suit. That's slick. Those Pulsars are nice. And our other inserts are going to be David Reagan gray or silver, Eric Jones contenders, got Ryan Blaney illusions, the Cup champions. So we got two of the three series champions in this pack. So I think we got another card. Yeah, we got a silver optic of Kevin Harvick. So that is nice. And that's going to do it for this break. I thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.